Among the arsenal of the U.S. Army, the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter stands out as a powerful symbol of duty, equipped with formidable firepower and heavy armor. Known as an attack helicopter or combat helicopter, it's designed to launch offensive strikes against ground targets, including enemy infantry, military vehicles, armored tanks, weapon positions, radar systems, communication nodes, urban warfare strongholds, and other fortified structures. Recently, U.S. Central Command released information via their account on X, showcasing the U.S. Army's Apache AH-64 helicopters in the Middle East refining their capabilities to detect and destroy enemy drones. The helicopter showcased by U.S. Central Command has been identified as the AH-64 Longbow Apache, which has received software upgrades from Lockheed Martin. These enhancements are designed to improve single-path targeting, extend detection range, and provide more effective 360-degree surveillance. With a radar system that now operates with greater sensitivity and range, the AH-64 Longbow is also equipped with sensors capable of networking with ground-based targeting systems and other airborne nodes, such as helicopters and drones, to see and track enemy aircraft beyond the horizon. This capability has become even more effective thanks to new methods of multi-domain target data sharing, further enhancing its role in countering aerial threats. The Apache has demonstrated its capabilities in various theaters, including the Middle East, Central Asia, and Africa, with an impressive track record against a wide range of adversaries, from guerrilla fighters to main battle tanks. Since it began operations in 1985, the Apache has established itself as the most successful attack helicopter of all time. Lockheed Martin, the developer of the radar system on the Longbow variant, has stated that the FCR version 6 software upgrades for this helicopter's radar system include single target tracking, 360-degree surveillance mode, and expanded detection range. All these factors enhance the attack helicopter's ability to detect and destroy unmanned aerial vehicles from the air. Furthermore, the millimeter wave technology is all-weather, meaning it can see through clouds, smoke, rain, and other weather obstacles. The missile variant employed in this development is the Hellfire missile, historically known as an air-to-ground tank killer. However, the weapon's capabilities have evolved over the years. Beyond its anti-tank role, the Hellfire has been widely utilized for anti-personnel missions in Iraq and Afghanistan against light vehicles and pickup trucks. In recent years, Hellfire tank killer missiles have increasingly been deployed for anti-personnel strikes throughout various counterterrorism campaigns in Iraq and Afghanistan. This evolution has sometimes been facilitated by adding metal casings around the Hellfire projectiles to enhance fragmentation and lethality. It is logical that this shredding variant of the Hellfire missile would be employed against moving unmanned aerial vehicles, groups of drones, and even swarms, given its capability to disperse fragmented projectiles. Furthermore, the Army's latest Hellfire variant, the Joint Air-Ground Missile, or JAGM, could also be utilized to destroy drones. JAGM has been developed over the years to replace the older Hellfire and features what is known as a tri-mode seeker, enabling it to engage targets using RF guidance, semi-active laser technology, or all-weather millimeter wave technology. In conclusion, while the use of Apache helicopters against drones has yet to fully demonstrate its effectiveness, it holds significant potential for impact in the event of a broader conflict in the Middle East, especially given the rising prevalence of armed unmanned aerial vehicles in the region. As has often been the case with the adoption of newer advanced technologies, forces equipped with new attack drone capabilities are adapting their operational concepts accordingly. The modern warfare environment, particularly in areas like the Middle East and Ukraine, continues to reveal increasingly serious drone threats. This escalation is largely due to the widespread availability of commercial drone technology, which has become not only more accessible but also increasingly armed. As military forces adapt to these emerging threats, the Apache role in countering drones may evolve, potentially shaping the future of aerial combat and ground operations.